The BENFEI 2.5-inch SATA to USB tool-free enclosure is designed for users who need a simple yet reliable way to repurpose or expand storage using 2.5-inch SATA hard drives or SSDs. With support for up to 6 terabyte drives and modern USB connectivity, it provides a balance of performance, ease of use, and wide compatibility. One of the most appealing aspects of this enclosure is its tool-free design. Installation is truly effortless. Simply slide open the case, insert the drive, close it, and you're ready to go. This makes it particularly attractive for those who frequently swap drives or want a quick, portable solution without extra screws or tools. The enclosure is lightweight at just over 3 ounces, making it easy to carry in a laptop bag or toolkit. The enclosure's dual USB-C and USB-A plug design adds a layer of convenience, ensuring compatibility with both legacy and modern devices. While the housing is made of plastic rather than metal, it feels durable enough for regular use and offers adequate heat dissipation for 2.5-inch drives. The BENFEI 2.5-inch SATA to USB tool-free enclosure is a smart choice for users who want a no-fuss, high-speed solution for reusing or expanding storage. Its ease of installation, dual connector flexibility, and strong performance make it a practical tool for professionals, students, and everyday users alike.